Good morning kids. In today's video, we are going to learn about birds. Birds are tiny organisms with two tiny legs and a sharp beak and wings to fly, and body is covered with feathers which protect them from heat and cold. This is a hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. It is the smallest bird in the world. This is a sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is also a small bird and it can be seen around us. This is a penguin. This is a penguin. Penguin also cannot fly. It is black and white in color. It is black and white in color. Penguin can drink seawater. It can drink seawater. It spends half of the time in water and half of the time on land. It is called a seabird. It is called a seabird. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. It is grey in color. This is a owl. This is a owl. Owl is a night bird. It has a large eyes and it stays awake in the night and sleeps during the day. It has a hooked beak. It has a hooked beak. This is a duck. This is a duck. Duck cannot fly too high. It lives both in land and water. This is a kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher has a really long beak which helps to catch fish. It has a really long beak which helps to catch fish. This is a woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. It has a long and strong beak. Woodpecker has a long and strong beak which helps to make a hole in the tree. It climbs tree trunks to find the insect. This is a crow. This is a crow. Crow is a commonly found bird in India. It has a black body and a very sharp beak. This is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. An ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. This is the biggest bird in the world. It cannot fly due to its heavy wings, but it can really run fast. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot is a pet bird. Parrot is a pet bird. Body is green in color and the beak is red in color. It often eats what it loves to eat. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock, it has got a beautiful wings and it is a colorful bird. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. An eagle can fly very high. It can fly very high and is known for its eyesight. It has got a very sharp eyesight. Thank you kids.